This AI gives automated quiz. As soon as we learn the concept, we can expect for a quiz. Then the student tries to attempt for the quiz, and if there is any mistake done by him or her, he can attempt for the explanation of the solution, so that at that particular moment itself the student will become known to that particular problem. If he or she made any mistake in in doing that, he can get the solution from that. And here, when coming to the matter of education, we are using this concepts in all the areas, in business, in education, in commercial, everywhere we are been using this. So when coming to education, it is providing a smarter tool. It is a smarter tool and more personalized tool, and it is giving more engaging learning experiences. So, when coming to mathematics teaching, it provides a role in personalized teaching. That is, every student has different learning capability. So, AI will adapt to that particular student level and what type of explanation that particular student is expecting. According to that, this AI will make the learner more capable of understanding the concept. And the most important thing is it is available 24 by 7. So students can access the tools anytime, anywhere, whenever they have the doubt or whenever they have the wish or zeal to study about that concept. And it removes a dependency on fixed classroom hours, as we have the timings like so and so time. So if the student is unable to grab the concepts in that particular hours, they can use those tools to make their concept more clear, and it gives instant feedback. So it provides some step by step solution for each and every concepts, and students may come to know immediately if they are solving their problem correctly or not. If they have done any mistake also, it can gives you an error, showing that the problem is not correct, which is done by them. And it has some teachers can track, even teachers can track their progress, the progress of the student by using this AI platforms. And when we like a particular student is attempting to do some problems, example on fractions, if a student is willing to solve something on fractions, then the AI platform provides him the different things, different questions about those. And if the student, like in the first attempt, if he is giving the solution, it's fine. If he is failing to give the solution in that one or two attempts, then the AI keeps track about his progress, that so and so student is weak in that particular concept, and it tends to give more sort of exercises for his support to make him more engaged, to make him more clear about the topic which he is learning. And now the challenges in traditional mathematics teaching. When coming to traditional mathematics teaching, they are effective. Uh, this AI, whatever we are using, I'm sure that we can't replace this all tools with the teachers and with the traditional methods. But we are just using it as a support to enhance the teaching capabilities or the understanding capabilities. So, traditional teaching methods are more effective, but there are some limitations when we use that. So, some challenges are one size fits all teaching, that is, teachers often teach in the same way. That is, the problem which they are teaching might be same, but the student understanding capability is different. All may not understand the one method which we are teaching. So fast learners will get bored, while slow learners will struggle more to keep that on. And there will be limited time for practice. So as we have seen earlier, that we have limited hours in school or college, so we can't give them unlimited practice during the class, and they may not get enough time to solve the exercises. If it is a difficult concepts, students may not get the enough time to understand that concept or to grasp this concept. And it may be difficult to understand the abstract concepts, like important concepts like some geometry or probability, that may be difficult to understand by the student if we use only the traditional method of chalk and board. So if we visualize that concepts, then the student may grab that easily by using that concepts. And uh, the feedback from the student may be delayed, like if the teacher assigns the homework or a slip test or something, it may be difficult to grade those students, like we need time to like evaluate those papers and give the grading to the students. So manually it may delay for giving the feedback for the students, and students will not come to know immediately about their mistakes. And the next one is of math anxiety. Many students have a fear about the math due to its complexity, and they may lack their confidence levels if they perform poor in the exams or in the regular periodic tests which are conducted. So here in this you will be knowing about some tools. So we can overcome these challenges by using AI. So what does that do is, first thing, it will be giving the personalized learning experiences. So based on the particular student's strengths and weakness, it adapts the lessons to each and every student, and slow learners will get some simpler problems, whereas the advanced learners will get the challenging task. So that there will be a balance between the slow and advanced learners. And we can have unlimited practice and instant feedback. There is no sort of limitations that only these problems are being limited for this particular day. You can do unlimited exercises, and as soon as we finish that exercise we can get the instant feedback. We have different AI tools like Photomath, Microsoft Math Solver, Desmos, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and many more. I'll be explaining you about this. And when the students start practicing in these tools, they may gain the confidence, as they will be the student, and they can have the more learning experiences by using more number of examples. They can practice, they can learn their mistake at that particular moment, and they can even decode or debug that mistake at that particular moment itself. And we can have visualization of abstract concepts, and it is of 24 hours of virtual tutoring. Sorry, there is no need of classroom and chalk and board concept. 24 by 7 we can access the tools, and we can get support from anywhere and anytime. And it will be reducing the math anxiety in that student. So one tool is Photomath. Photomath is used for solving the problems. So at the end of the session I'll be opening these tools and I'll be showing you. So first tool is of photomath. So photomath is used to solve the max problems. So here whatever we have the problem or whatever we want to solve, we can just scan the pic of that problem and we can upload this, and it gives the solution for that by using step by step explanation. In this it covers all the concepts of the mathematics. Even teachers can use this in the class by using like how the problem is being solved by using step by step. And we have a limitations also by using these tools. That is the student what they do is they may not be able to like give extra effort in the homework, they just try to copy it. So that is the limitation by using these tools. And the next tool is like Wolfram Alpha. There are n number of tools. I'm just giving you the tools all explanation. At the end I'll show you the demo of a few tools. And the next tool is Wolfram Alpha. So this is also a tool. Actually this tool is used for all the subjects. At the end I'll be showing you this. And in this tool you can solve all the math concepts like trigonometry, calculus, statistic, etc. It can generate graphs and symbolic solutions, and it provides real world data integration. If you want to solve any solution, or if you want to give a problem x square or something, whatever you want, it will demonstrate by using symbolic representations. And here in this the limitation is actually most of the tools are paid versions. We need to pay in order to use those tools. There are only few tools which are free. Even the tools which are free also, they are only for the limited access. If we really like the tool, we can pay and get the access to those tools. And the next tool is Microsoft Math Solver. This is the free tool which is given by this is the free tool which is being offered by using Microsoft. Here also we can give the handwritten, either we can type it in that particular area, or we can give the scanned copy of your question. Then it gives the step-by-step solutions, and some video tutorials are also available here in order to make the student more comfortable. So here the limitation is they will be more dependent on these tools for the answers. And the next tool is Socratic by Google. So this is the tool which is offered by Google. It is also providing the free problem solving and explanation. Here also we can give the snap of a photo of the problem which you want to solve. It will give the step-by-step solutions and video resources. So we can use those tools even in classrooms. That will help the student, like make them independent to learn more. And even for all these tools we need internet access. And the next tool is Dreambox Learning. So Dreambox Learning is also a tool which is used for mathematics. It is used from kindergarten to PG. So here the features are, it gives you the interactive gamified lessons, and it will give the task based on the student progress. If the student is performing well, it will consider him as the advanced learner and gives him more tasks according to his ability. And the teachers can monitor the learning of the students in the dashboard even. So this is also a paid subscription. Only for the few tasks it is free. And the next one is Alex. So this Alex is also a platform to learn math, and it also gives the personalized learning for the students. It covers all the maths concepts, starting from arithmetic, starting from additions, basics, to the advanced calculus. It is used not only for the school students, it is used for the college level students. Here also we can do the assessments. And the next tool is GeoGebra. This GeoGebra is used like for geometry or calculus or statistics. Here we can, this app works offline if we download it, and that also it has some limitations. Only few concepts will work in the offline. Here the limitations is it requires some like adaptability to that, because all those are digital tools, so we have to get adapted in order to use those tools. And the next tool is like Khan Academy. This is a particular tool which gives n number of problems for the people who wants to access. So here what happens is, one important thing in this is you can get the video tutorials for each and every math concepts. Whatever the concept you give, we can find, as in YouTube we have the concepts of video explanation. Here in this particular AI tool, whatever the concept we are giving, we can have the video tutorial of that particular math concepts. And even after completion of that concepts, it can have personalized quiz and practiced problems. Generally students try to pay more attention when they have some interaction, when they have some promotion, like they have been like appreciated by using this badge, or they have got this rank or something. If we appreciate them, students tend to get more active, and students tend to get learning more or to that particular concept. So here it provides some quizzes and practice problems based on the students, and it will suggest the next lessons also what have to be practiced. And if a student is struggling more with some particular concept, it gives more exercises until he become more confident in that particular concept. So we can use this even in classrooms, so that teachers can teach in the class and the students can practice it online. And the next one is Chat GPT. So Chat GPT is a free version, but this is not unlimited. It also have like a limited access. It will give practice problems, whatever you want it will give, and it will help the student to learn step by step. It will explain even in the simpler words in all languages. And the next tool is Desmos. So this is also a free tool, but requires the internet access. Here we can like the equations can be explained by using plots, and we can change, like if you want to explain about graphs or anything, we can plot it on the graphs and explain it in the real time how it is moving. For example, if you want to draw a triangle, we can plot it by using different types of tools, and we can plot them, how to start, where is the starting point, where is the ending point, how to plot that x-axis at what angle it should be, y-axis at what angle it should be. We can explain the student by using this tool. And the next one is Modin. This also explains all the max concepts in multiple languages. Those who are having problem in understanding in the English language, they can use this tool to make it understandable in their regional languages. This tool is less popular, and we have, because we have only specific features of max. And next one is Grammarly. This Grammarly is a tool which is used to help teachers prepare max worksheets and generate the reports for them. If we have any mistakes in preparing the concepts or the questions, by using this tool we can correct those and makes the test more simplifier. So the teachers can write assignments like we can frame the assignments questions, and we can give that student in a easy manner which helps them to understand in a easy way in a simplified English. And here this is the graph which is showing how AI tools improve the learning outcomes. Instead of using board and chalk concept, if we use this interactive AI tools, the engagement of the student has been increased by 35%, and the homework completion rate has been increased by 24%, and the test score was improved by 20%. This is the graph which is taken from for our just for our understanding. I have taken this the impact of this AI tools on student performance instead of using our traditional methods. And it serves as an interactive visual learning environment. So when we use the learning experience by using animations, 3D models and simulations, the learning experience will become more easy, and the difficult concepts like geometry and algebra become more engaging when we use this visualized interactions. So this can connect the abstract ideas with real world understanding, making the more difficult subject more enjoyable and less irritating. So there is one, like I have seen this case study of school success with AI. So a school introduced this Dreambox learning AI concept as a max practice tool. Within 1 year, the students' max scores in that particular school has been increased by 20%, especially among the weak learners. And the teachers have reported the saving time on grading, and they were able to focus more on the personalized support. So here, as we are using, if we tend to use these tools as a teachers, we can save more time on grading that particular students, and we can focus more on the support which has to be given to that particular student. And uh, if we learn the concepts by using augmented reality and virtual reality, AR, VR, these are the emerging technologies, augmented reality and the virtual reality. This will change the how students will be learning the math, where the way they are seeing the math, the concept of their viewing will be changed if they use those tools. So they it can explain the math in the form of real world objects, while VR allows, that is the virtual reality allows students to step inside a 3D coordinate plane so that they can visualize the concepts, and this will promote the deeper understanding of the concept and make mathematics more interactive. And it acts as a like a virtual tutor, which will be supporting them 24 by 7, and they can get instant explanation, and it will check the student progress and even answer the questions in real time. If a student is struggling to understand a particular concept and he needs a step by step explanation at any particular moment, thus AI will help them in at any point of time, especially during examination hours. We teachers can't provide the personalized explanations to the students, so this AI tools will help them in order to grab the concepts, understand the concepts, and make that particular concept easier for them to understand and make their the exam or make their thing successful. And here, this will analyze the student performance, and it will predict different learning experiences or different learning challenges before they occur. If they are if they are difficult in understanding one concepts, even AI, as I mentioned here, we can use this as a tool, even in our platforms. Instead of chalk and board concepts, we can use these tools as teachers. So when we are using these tools, and by these tools, if we want to assess the student, like if we want to conduct the assessments to our students, to our class students, then it takes the data of all the particular students. So whenever you keep the assignment or test by using the tool, it will take the data of that, it will grade that, and even it will alert the teacher about the students, those who are not up to the mark and those who are up to the mark. And it will alert the teacher to give some sort of practice to the students who are weak in that particular concepts. So even this may help the teachers to give more sort of alertness, or more sort of practice to the students who are lagging in that particular areas. So when coming to benefits for the students, they can learn at their own time. When they wish to learn, they can learn 24/7, and they can get instant feedback, instant report about their performance, and they can correct it at the same time. And the more difficult subject becomes more interactive and fun to learn, and it will support all the learning needs of the student. So when coming to benefits of the teachers, teachers can save more time in grading the students, and producing the reports of those assessments. And teachers can monitor the class performance easily, and they can provide the insights for the weak students in their weaker areas. They can we can have the help in creating the worksheets and assignments. And these are the ethical and privacy considerations. Like using the AI tools is not a crime, but we have to use it ethically. Like as I told you in the previous slides, like if the student tries to adapt these tools, there might be some students who may be misusing these tools. They might use this as a tool in solving their problems. Instead of learning, they will be rapidly depending on these particular tool only for the sake of doing their homeworks and showing it and producing it to their teachers. Instead of learning that, they may be a mislead of these tools. So uh, we have to use these tools ethically. And students data security is also critical. Not all tools are tend to be more secured. uh, the data security is also needed in this. And there is a risk of replacement of AI with human interaction. If they tend to use this AI tools, we might be have the lack of human interaction with each and everyone. And uh, we need to use this AI transparent. And there are some best practices have to integrate this AI. So this AI, if we integrate in maths education, it works best in supporting teachers. It is not at all replacing the teachers. It is just giving a support to that. And if we have the proper training and use of those AI tools effectively, then we can use them by our traditional methods, and we can make the students get more interactive with our sessions. And it gives the personalized learning by giving each and every student different task based on their skill level. Because in the class we have if we have 60 students, we don't know different students have different learning capabilities. We give the same assignment and the same homework for all the students. As soon as we complete the concept, for example, if I have explained the concept of arithmetic operations in the class, I tend to give the same homework depending on the concept. I give the same homework to all the 60 students in my class. So a fast learner will be understanding, who has understand the concept in the class, does the homework, and the student who did not grasp the concept feels very difficult to solve that homework. So by using this AI tool, it gives the task to the student based on their skill level, and it is not making the student delay in learning the concept. It makes them more adaptive. Makes them more practice to that particular concepts until they become understandable. And it is most responsible to maintain ethical and responsible use. We should not over rely on the AI for the answers. First, we should learn. A student should learn that by using the step by step solutions of that concepts. A student should learn from that, and then he should understand the concept, and he should be more ethical in order to learn that. He should not completely rely on the solutions for the homework which are given by the teachers. So by following these practices, AI becomes a powerful tool which helps the teachers and the students understand more, engage the students in different activities, and efficient in teaching different critical concepts of mathematics in classrooms without undermining the teacher's role. And there are some limitations and the risks used you like when using this AI tools. Like not all students will have the access to this, and over dependence on these AI tools reduces the critical thinking of the student ability. And we cannot tell that AI is 100% true. It may tend to give the mistakes, so they should be capable in order to analyze the mistakes given in the solutions. And the tools like virtual reality and augmented reality can be costly. And these are the professional recommendations. We need to use AI as a support and not as a replacement. The teachers can get trained in this AI tools, and they can ensure about the privacy policies about the data which we are giving into that, and we can blend AI with the traditional methods. So when we tend to use this AI in this math education, so then it acts as a virtual tutor which is available 24 by 7, and real time learning analytics for teachers, and we can explain the concepts in 3D way. And there are more open source and free AI tools which are used for global access. uh, so this is we will be explaining, like we will see some tools now. So here I have given you the links also for this. Directly you can go for this. So one tool I'll be opening here now. So we have to go to Google and click like type the tool which we want to use. So I have given the tool Desmos. So it will open like this. So for this we have to sign up. So here before sign up also we have some things in this. So here in this tool we can explore. We are having the max tools like graphing tools, scientific tools, normal arithmetics, matrices, geometry, and about 3D. And here we have tools. This Desmos is used for we can sign up as a teacher or as a student. Here it is having I'm a teacher and I'm a student. If we go for a student, actually we need to sign up and then log in, then only all the features will be accessible. Just I'm showing you that. So if it is a student, like we should, the student should get the code from the teacher. So teacher should give him the code, then only the student will get the access to this desmos. So we'll sign up. I'm continuing with my Google. So I'm using my Google to sign up into this. So here I got signed up, and here I'll be regarding me. I'll give as an I'm an educator. Done. You can choose if that is a student. They can choose as a student. If we want to use apart from education, we can choose that. Or if we want to learn any concepts, we can choose. Now we have just logged into our like AI platform. So here, coming to geometry, so here we are having different tools, and here also we are having some things like it is having the help. It is here you can choose different types of languages. Here this tool helps to learn the students and teachers in n different types of languages. These are the languages which are available in this desmos tool. We can select any language. I have selected here the English language, and these are the different tools. So we have selected here the geometry tool, and here you can select any tool. So I'm selecting a directed angle. So here these are the different tools which are used, and here are the examples for using all these like what all tools we have in geometry. These are the examples, and you can explain by using this. For example, I have clicked on equilateral triangle. So by using this, like you can zoom it or you can explain about this. And so these are the different tools which we have here. Like when I go to test practice, so test practice is once I'll be clicking on 4-function calculator, and I'll start this. So here they can do the practice what they want to do. And one more I'll be clicking like 3D calculator. So here this explains. So if I'm not able to explain all these tools, on the last day of our workshop, we have hands-on. Even in that class, I'll be explaining about all these tools, how to use this. So here we can use that. Here you can see we are having the like visualization concepts. The axis is moving accordingly, it is visualizing, so we can explain it by using the visual mode. And one more tool I'll open. One more tool is of GeoGebra. I'll open. All we can have access from Google. So just type the tool All the tools have been given in my PPT in the last slide. Even the links also have been given. We can have the access to that. So here, this is a GeoGebra tool. This is also used to give help access to the Max tools easily. And here, this tool is used for grades from Max. Sorry, grade 4 to grade 12. So here, these are the concepts which we have, and the max resources which are used in this is, these are the resources which we can find in this GeoGebra. Even for this also we have to sign in. These are the concepts which we have: algebra, geometry, measurement, number sense, everything we have. If we go for number sense, here we have all different concepts which are used in this. So I am clicking of grade 4 to 5 factors and multiples I am taking, or we can go for number sense, fractions I'm going. So here fractions, first is comparing fractions with unlike denominators using models. So here we have a term called as exploration. This exploration will give the explanation about that concept. See here, it is loading. So here it will give the explanation about that concept, how the thing has to be done. It is telling like use the tape diagram to compare the two fractions. So here it has given 2 by 5. We have two here the segment is divided into 5 fractions. 2 fractions are colored and the 3 are not colored. So 2 by 5 it is showing, and it is a drag to change the denominator. So here we can, like, it is giving the explanation. It is giving the explanation what to do. Like here you can drag and you can drop whatever we want, we can do here. See here, this you can change that according to our wish, according to the question you can change that. So it is giving the explanation what to do. So here it is also giving some questions after the explanation of that concepts. And here we have the practice also. Exploration is of like explaining about the concepts. And next we have practice sessions. Here you can write, it is loading. So here the question is, rewrite equivalent fractions using smaller or larger denominators. Here we can do the practice. It is loading. 1 minute. It is loading. Here we can give the we can practice here. And I'll show you one more thing. This is about fractions. And we have here about place value. So place value practice questions. See here, we are having a question like create the expanded form of a number with whole number and decimal place values using place value titles. So here, use the place value tiles to make 6320.399. So how to make this? Here you can drag the lines. So here they have given, here we have 7 numbers in the given problem. So they have given here 7 boxes. So you can like what we have to do also, it has given drag the lines up to the color, up to color the tiles. So like last is 99. So I'm just giving this. You can drag, you can drag this like this. I'm just giving this, I'm not giving the correct answer, I'm just giving this. I will show you how it will solve. So for the given question, I have done this as the answer, and here I can check this answer whether I have done correct or wrong. So it is giving you an error. Compare your number to the given number. Which digits do you need to change? So it is giving that our answer is wrong. We need to try again. So here it is giving 3 attempts. No, after completion of 3 attempts, if we do that wrong for the 3 times, it will show you the correct answer. So this is how we use the tool, by using in an interactive way and the engaging way. And we have more number of tools also, like as given in this presentation. In the last slide, I have shown you all the tools. So this is 2 tools I have explained. So this is for today's.
Can you please share the tools slide again, ma'am? The link
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So these are all the tools, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all these tools are paid versions only. We have to sign in. Not all are like fully paid. We have to just sign in by using our Google. On the last day, even I'll show few execution, ma'am. Most of them we can use it free for the limited access. If we want to go beyond, we have to get paid. We can use.
Ma'am, your voice is lacking. Ma'am, you are not audible. Ma'am, you are not audible.
Is it okay?
Ma'am, there is no voice.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am, there is no voice.
Ma'am, my network issue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible now.
Ma'am, any questions, ma'am?
Ma'am, what about Maxima software?
Ma'am?
Maxima software.
Ma'am, there are many. Ma'am, actually, I have taken only few from that.
Thank you, participants. There was an network issue from the ma'am's side. We shall continue the class tomorrow, and the session time and link shall remain same for all the days. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.